Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you guys how to do a protective braided style in your hair. So today the style we're going with is we're going to be doing 2 easy braid goes straight down. So first we're going to part the hair in 2. Part the hair straight down. So guys, as you can see, the hair is part in 2 straight down. So after you finish parting the hair, you're going to catch one side with an elastic band. So guys, to do the cornrow, we are going to start off with 3 pieces. One on the right, one on the left, and one in the middle. Okay guys, so now we're about to start braiding. Make sure you watch my hands really carefully as we go along. This is a really easy tutorial for beginners who are trying to learn to braid hair. I know we are using a mannequin, guys, so it might kind of be a little difficult, but remember, we are trying to practice. So if you have a sister at home or a little brother and you're trying to practice on their hair, you can go ahead and start. So guys, make sure you are grabbing pieces of hair while you are braiding along. So guys, we're going to be moving on to the next side. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you like this protective style braid, and make sure to comment down below and let me know what other styles you guys want to see. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Bye.